What's going on, guys? Calling all high school students, College Prep PowerUp, May 22nd. Make your next steps your best steps. Register online right now.
My biggest takeaway was definitely learning more about students and what I could have done when I was in high school that I didn't get the opportunity to do. But I'm glad that the O League has given me the opportunity to come back.
My biggest takeaway of the day had to be when I got to talk with other college students and mentors that had came today, and I think it was a really good experience because I don't have any older siblings that have been through this process and recently, so it's good to get that one-on-one conversation. They give you the real deal, all the information about what to expect, what I should be doing in high school to prepare, and just basically everything I need to know about college and getting ready for it.
Just listen and take notes. It's a lot you can learn. Stuff you never knew, like the grading scale and what type of SAT scores you need. It's a good help.